Alright, the next one we're going to do, another YouTube beer reviewer named Ronald, I'll post this link below, said this was the worst thing he's ever had in his life. But it was the 12%, and this is the 8.1, and the fucking flying on me. So, I'm going to do the Earthquake.
High Gravity Lager. What's up with gravity on all these cans? You know what I'm saying? The last can said high gravity. This one says gravity. Put your ass on the ground. Getting pre-sniff. That looks more beerish. Black color.
I'll do a little more. This is 8.1.
Have to have that 0.1, huh?
Ooh, lordy.
Smells strong.
Smells like something. Smells sour.
Okay.
I got a tinge of that grape shit in here. Yeah, this smells sour though.
Yeah.
It smells like sour milk.
Or like those Bush beers that cans I had in there for like a year or so. I'll put on the worst thing I ever tasted.
No.
It's actually, my first drink, like flavorless. You know what I mean? There ain't much in it.
Yeah. Tastes like a Bud Light.
One of the light beers.
Well, not nearly as tingy, you know, towards the end.
It's very smooth.
Yeah.
If you don't really like a full flavor beer, but you want some alcohol content, this right here would work for you.
Yeah. And that was
Real smooth, light flavor.
That was $1 something.
And it's 8.1% if you want to get messed up.
To be honest with you, I'd rather get jacked up on this than that steel stuff, that blackberry stuff we did, because you have less of a hangover.
That can get old real quick.
Yeah.
I mean, you sat down and drank the whole 24-ounce can by yourself, you'd be done with one of that taste in your mouth.
Yeah.
But drinkability, it's high on the list, but flavor, no.
Yeah.
There ain't really no flavor.
No.
It's really blah. I mean, it's almost as smooth and flavorless as like drinking some water or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a 6. Maybe no, I'm gonna give it a 5 because it's the tinge at the end is kind of funky.
Yeah, taste is really low. Drinkability's up there. Yeah, 5 would be about right.
But I wouldn't get it again.
Average now. No.
Yeah, it was like $1.86 or 84 or something like that. Anyway, anything below a 7 is getting the shotgun, so
Bye-bye.
it will be exploding before too long. Would you give it?
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Actually, anything below a 6 is going to get the shotgun. Well, 6 is still a D. 5 or below, so.
Yeah,
it's still
anything below mid-range average.
It's still getting the shotgun.
Yeah.
Alright. So anyway, this is Earthquake, 8.1%.
And they consider it a lager.
It says malt liquor on the barcode.
Look above Earthquake. High gravity lager is what they call it.
You should have put that because that one now I'd give it a 4.
Yeah. They should not try to claim to be a lager.
Yeah.